A car jack safely lifts vehicles for tire changes, maintenance, repairs, and emergency roadside assistance with ease. Today's video is about top 5 best car jack that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gurduenon car jack. This 2-ton scissor jack kit is a dependable emergency tool that every driver should keep in the trunk. With a lifting capacity of up to 4,409 pounds and a lifting range from 4.33 to 15.75 inches, it works well for a variety of vehicles, including cars and SUVs. The complete kit includes a scissor jack, ratchet wrench, lug wrench, gloves, tire pressure gauge, and a convenient storage bag, providing everything needed for roadside tire changes. The corrosion-resistant construction feels sturdy and durable, giving confidence that it will perform reliably in different weather conditions. The jack and tools are easy to operate, with comfortable grips that provide good leverage and make tire replacement quicker and less stressful. Compact enough to store in a trunk or garage, it's always ready when needed. Overall, this is a practical, well-equipped, and reliable car jack kit that offers excellent value for emergency tire changes and basic roadside repairs. Now our second product is DNA Motoring car jack. This 2-ton hydraulic trolley jack is a great addition for home garages and routine vehicle maintenance. It lifts quickly and smoothly, with a lifting range from 5.1 to 13 inches, making it ideal for most sedans, coupes, and smaller SUVs under 4,000 pounds. The heavy-duty steel construction feels solid and stable, while the large saddle provides good support and helps protect the vehicle during lifting. I also appreciate the built-in overload protection, which adds an extra layer of safety by preventing excessive load pressure. The swivel casters make positioning the jack surprisingly easy, even in tight garage spaces. Despite its sturdy build, it remains relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver around the workshop. It's important to remember that this jack is designed for lifting only, so jack stands should always be used for support. Overall, this is a reliable, well-built hydraulic jack that offers smooth operation, good safety features, and excellent value for regular automotive service and repair tasks. Our third product is AV Steel car jack. This 2.5-ton low-profile floor jack is an excellent choice for owners of passenger cars, sports cars, and lowered sedans. The ultra-low 3.4-inch entry easily fits beneath vehicles with minimal ground clearance, while the 14.6-inch maximum lift height provides enough range for tire changes and routine maintenance. Its durable steel construction feels solid and dependable, and the quick-lift hydraulic pump raises the vehicle efficiently with minimal effort. The 2 rear swivel wheels make positioning the jack smooth and convenient, even in tight garage spaces. Safety is another strong point, with a built-in overload protection valve and a large 360-degree rotating saddle that helps provide stable, secure lifting. Before purchasing, it's important to verify your vehicle's lift height requirements, as this jack is intended for cars rather than trucks or larger SUVs. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support, this floor jack offers reliable performance, quality construction, and excellent value for home mechanics and everyday vehicle maintenance. Now number 4, VIVOHOME car jack. This heavy-duty motorcycle lift jack is a reliable tool for anyone who performs routine maintenance or repairs on their bike. Constructed from solid steel, it supports up to 1,100 pounds while providing a smooth lifting range of 3.5 to 14.5 inches, making it suitable for engine, wheel, and transmission work. The reinforced crank handle operates smoothly, allowing precise lifting and lowering with minimal effort, while the adjustable screw adapters help maintain stability on uneven surfaces. The wide platform features a textured rubber pad that prevents slipping and protects the motorcycle from scratches during use. Its compact scissor design makes it easy to store and transport, and it's compatible with a wide variety of motorcycles, UTVs, scooters, snowmobiles, and dirt bikes. The powder-coated finish resists rust, oil, and grease for long-lasting durability, and the included chain cleaning brush is a useful bonus. Overall, this lift jack delivers excellent stability, durability, and convenience for both home mechanics and enthusiasts. And our last choice is TONDA car jack. This 2.5-ton low-profile hydraulic floor jack is a dependable choice for home garages and automotive maintenance. With a lifting range of 3.35 to 14.57 inches, it easily fits under low-clearance vehicles while providing enough height for tire changes, brake work, and general repairs. The 5,000 pounds capacity offers reliable lifting power for most passenger cars and SUVs, and the heavy-duty steel construction inspires confidence with its solid, durable feel. Moving the jack is simple thanks to the combination of two large steel casters and two 360-degree swivel casters, while the detachable long handle and built-in carrying handles make transportation convenient. The durable, crack-resistant paint helps protect the jack from wear and corrosion, extending its service life. For added peace of mind, the built-in overload protection enhances safety by preventing excessive loading. Overall, this floor jack combines strength, stability, smooth operation, and portability, making it an excellent tool for routine vehicle maintenance and emergency repairs. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.